Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Pretty cool graphic, and there's a lot more you could do with it. I might figure it out later. But if you want to take a screenshot of that right there, that's all you need. So to draw one, we're going to move this out of the way. I'm going to make a six-sided polygon. It doesn't really matter what size. And then take a 2-point line and hold down the control button so it's perpendicular. And have it, well, the best way to do it is go P, put it in the center of the page. Then shift select that one and go L to put it to the left. Select that one, control D. Shift select the polygon again and hit R. By doing that, these two are perfectly in the center. Take your Alt key and select those two and control G to group them. Well, you know what? We don't want to do that. Yeah, we do. No, let's don't do that. So take your Alt key and select them both and go up to effects and blend them 7 times. You want an odd amount. Now I'm going to take the Alt key and select them. The Alt key, anything it touches, selects it. We're going to control G to group it. We're going to control D to duplicate it. And we're going to rotate it 60 degrees. And then control D again. And if you look at this graphic, I'm starting right in the top. So matter of fact, let's go ahead and fill this one in so we can kind of see. And I find filling it in with a gray, just a light gray, so you can still see the lines, will kind of help you. And because the other is a group, I can just grab that and put it right there. So we need to take the very first one and cut that line right there. Well, you know what? I can't cut it because it's a blend. So I need to get that out of the way, select all this, go up to Object, and ungroup all. Still might not work. I still probably got to unblend it. Yep, go up to Object, break blend apart. Let's go ahead and do them all. Hold down the Alt key, go up to Object, break blend, break all 6 objects apart. So now we can bring this graphic back in, just so you don't need an indexing line. And we're going to take away that line. I don't know what the count is. I'm going to go like to there and there. Take away that. Go ahead and take away that and that and that. And then go around it. And by holding down the Alt key, you can draw a line. So you're going to kind of get that square. We're going to need a line in the middle here in just a second. I shouldn't have deleted that line, so we'll go ahead and put that line in. Well, I deleted a lot of lines I shouldn't have, because I need that cube up top. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the virtual segment delete key and delete these 2 lines. Matter of fact, I just needed that cube. So let's do this. Let's just get rid of this. And I'm going to select all this and control G to group it. That way I can move it out of the way in a second. I'm going to go ahead and just make them all gray. Whoop, I need one more line deleted. You want that square. Now, because this is all grouped together, we can just move it out of the way. And then I'd go ahead and left click, right click, and you got your shape and all the lines are complete. Now what you want to do is go ahead and group it together. Well, you know what? What if we go ahead and color it? Let's color it first. Let's take the Smart Fill tool. Let's use that orange again. So I'm going to fill all these parts in. And I'm going to make this one, I'm going to hold down the control key and I'm going to add a little black to make it like that. Yep, that'll work. I could do more. Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it. Double click on it, move your rotation to there, and rotate it 120 degrees. There's your block. Now, you could do one of two things. Let's go ahead and put an outline on around everything. And we can change, well, I should have made the block, but it's easily done after the fact. Let's get the Smart Fill tool back. And let's put a gray there, and there. And then let's select this one. And you can do anything you want. Hold down the control button and click it a couple of grays darker. And you could do a lot, maybe pick this one and just hit the black one time, make a little difference. Now you could fill in these with black, or you could do this right here by just, because those little squares or triangles are transparent. And there you have it. Pretty cool design. I think there's some more we can do with it. Maybe I'm going to try to figure out how to get another extension of these going out the other directions. If I figure it out, I'll make another video. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.